Hi, my name is Misty Bernhard with Illinois Extension, and I'm here today to introduce a new recipe, and the recipe I chose was main dish salad.
Gently rub all vegetables under cool running water. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are as follows: half head romaine lettuce, torn into pieces, half head red cabbage, chopped, two medium carrots, peeled and sliced, one cucumber, peeled and sliced, one green bell pepper, cut into strips, two heads broccoli, cut into florets, three medium tomatoes, cut into wedges, 2 cans of kidney or garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed, 6 ounces shredded low-fat cheddar cheese, and 1/4 cup of non-fat salad dressing. In a large bowl, combine all prepared vegetables, beans, and cheese. And then finally, add salad dressing and toss together lightly before serving.
This is our main dish salad. It's perfect for a summer picnic for you and your family. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Eat, Move, Save.